Say Happy Valentine's Day, Mama.
Happy birthday.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Hi, happy Valentine's, Mama.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you.
Who else do you want to say Happy Valentine's Day to?
I just see Honor.
You want to see Eleanor? Oh, hold on. We're on camera. Who do you want to say Happy Valentine's Day to?
Happy birthday.
You want to say Happy Valentine's Day, Grandma?
Grandma.
Happy Valentine's Day, Oma?
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Oma. Who else? Anybody else? How about Nana?
Nana.
Oh, you're not on there now.
Not on there. Daddy's on here. Come here. Don't nobody want to see Daddy. Come here. Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Say I love you.
I love you.
All right.